All right, today is November 3rd, 2025, and I my confidence level feels low. I'm not gonna lie. I've been kind of ebbing and flowing, right? Just kind of like break even. So in the sense that if I calculated the trades I took during the whatchamacallit, I know it was during the things so I can't really calculate it as much, but you know, last week I was saying I can't really calculate what I did for that Monday for the competition because basically I was down. I couldn't find a trade that worked out, so I didn't calculate that at all. But if I calculate last week's, um, I basically hit one of my daily loss limits for the entire week, which is pretty good. I have to give myself props for that. That I didn't go too far until where I hit this in one day and then back to back. Is just this is a whole week of just in the sense a bad trade, not trading as much. So hitting the daily loss limit on a weekly basis is a pretty good feat as far as control. Um, as far as control goes, right? That was last week's. Let's look at the week before. Figure out how to do that. Okay, let's see here. Last week was the 26th to the 25th. So we'll bring this here like that, and we'll bring this to the 20 here like that. All right. The prior week, I was able to finish off with 30. Um, Good trade here at the end. I think this is one of the ones that when I was doubling down in the sense. All right. So pretty good management. Started off weak, and then let's see the 12. So same thing. So just basically like not really hitting hard numbers. All right. Was able to finish off. I started off strong. Okay, strong. And then started giving stuff away. Let's see what happened on the 17th. Look at multiple trades on the 17th. And if I had taken just that one or two trades, you know, um, so these kind of canceled out themselves, I would have been still almost near the same, but I wouldn't be mentally drained. Let's see the fifth. So, all right. So it's probably like just one day, 2 days. All right. This is probably one of my best days. I like days like this. Trade lasted 21 minutes. All right. One trade. All right. So not taking multiple trades seems to really like diminish the potential loss rates. All right. It's just a few trades here. All right. Just waiting. What's the difference between this one and the last one? This is 24 minutes. I probably was in the red. It's got a 24th on my chart. So I haven't been past phase one yet. I'm still on phase one. Better volume. One minute. '24th. So this one here, right? So there was no volume in that, and I took it, but then I took it again when volume came in here. All right. So there was no volume here, but I took it when volume came in here. So that one worked out here. So I might just need to be wait. I might need to just wait on the signal to come from here with the confirmation of there. So we have that. Okay, signal confirmation. Because I'm pretty sure that we got some absorption volume or something that came in. Trying to see here. So we had absorption, and then boom. So volume came in here, and then closed out, and then selling came in. So the volume needs to be two of them, not just one. One from the left side, one from the right side. One from the 5-minute and one from the tick chart. And I think I'm gonna remark these lines here on my book, so that way the volume comes in from both. And then the other thing is also I've been speculating is volume profile. Like when I have a calm mindset, my brain's able to make sense of a lot of the things that I'm looking for. So just waiting on certain stuff. So I think the other one's gonna be volume profile that I'll be looking at to see how that goes, because I wanted to look at, we have this here, then we have this right there, right? We have this little hook here, so price comes into here, and then we get that rejection of that volume profile. So we have this level, we have this little donut, we have this low volume node-ish area, right? Like this here's a big area, so where can price come back into? Maybe right around here somewhere, right? We have that volume. I can't really see it on this. So it's looking for those things on the volume profile to help also say this is a good level, versus me just marking any level and saying, okay, that's good enough. All right, and then I'll get to this in a bit because I have to pay to update that. Actually, let's see, can I update it now? I think it's CME. I was paying for, right? There was this $4 one, CME. Looking for maybe CBOT. No, there goes NQ. Where did I see ES? Is that Bitcoin? That's Bitcoin. There goes NQ. There goes NQ. There goes ES. And there goes ES. Goes MNQ, so looking for, and MES. Yeah, so CME. Okay, so let me update that. Let's pay for that, so that way I can trade my demo account while I'm still working on being consistent. Alright, so now this should be new info. There we go. Alright, so we're good to go. Alright, so yeah, so looking at where can I, like here, All right, and then looking for those absorption levels to help with finding entries. Like this is a good one, so I may need to zoom out. This is too far out. 1 minute. All right, so yeah, so maybe the 20, I think is the best one. All right, and we're just looking for what can we find here. All right, bam, bam. All right, looking for the levels to like make sense. And then for NQ, I'm just gonna change this one here as fix. Fixes and then uprise, it seems like. For NQ, I've been using 75. All right, so we have this level here. This is a big gap. All right, price came back to this level and then dropped. But this one might work well with like 100 or something. 100 looks like it works better with finding potential clear levels, but that's where I'm at. So I already did everything the day before. I don't really see anything that's sticking out, so I'm gonna say I'm done as far as this goes, which is a lot of volume here, but nothing that I'm going to like run towards to. I am going to mark this little area here. I want to mark this area here. I'm going to mark it like this because there's nothing in there. All right, there's no volume here. Reversal, but that's pretty much it. But we'll keep an eye on it, even down here. All right, this one has, I guess, some volume. You can see that volume came in and then volume went out. There's nothing here to support it, but we'll mark it like this in case we come down to it. And it's pretty much really it, right? Those two here. The 15 doesn't have anything. We have this down here where price bounced off of on Friday. We have a lot of like congestions up here. This price reclaiming right here, price retested. This was a beautiful one, but it's happened like I think overnight. Yeah. And then you have the 1 minute where it's having way too much, which I barely even touch anymore. So so now the thing is that you know, trying to get out of this break even scale. So really want to see how I can really scale this up. Trading 1 micro, yes, I know 10 points gets me 50, and sometimes I've been up 10. Sometimes I've been up way more than 10 points, and it comes back to break even. Several times that has happened. Several times that prices did not move after I entered. Sometimes after I entered, price really gets going after staying above my entry. So it's been a lot. So I'm just working on making sense of everything. All right. Okay, so why is it not a front? There it is. All right, making sense of everything. So other than that, I'm basically done. 'Cause I don't think I've seen much from the other charts. No. They're just gonna hold these areas. I'm not gonna stress them out. No. Nice little range here. So yeah. So we'll see what we can get out of that. Anyways, I'm out. Adios. Oh, let's go over might as well go over This government still shut down. 33 days. Look like we're going for that 35, breaking that 35 marker from last Trump's thing. Um, 37 days. As far as news-wise, something's happening in the market. Let's go to ES. So the market just decided to just move up. I'm good. What, 10 points? One candle, more than 10. All right. So back to what I was saying. Oh, is this coming out? These are coming out. I don't see tentative next to them. Did the government shut down though? It is not controlled by the government. This one has been pushed. Okay, tentative or these. Okay, this has been pushed back a lot. So I'm gonna mark these onto my mark this one onto my thing. Um, AMD comes out tomorrow night. Planetary comes out tonight. Robinhood comes out Wednesday night. Trade Desk comes out Thursday night. Thursday night. All right, so let's add these three. I don't know what the heck that was about. So let's go here. This is gonna be 10, no 11:03, and that's 10 a.m. Right? That's for today. And then this is gonna be we don't do that one as much because 11:05, 8:15. I need that to be orange, and this one orange, and then 10 at 8:15 as well. $11:05, 10 o'clock. And that's pretty much it. Let's put this one here. 11:07. That was 10 o'clock. Need that to be orange. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Tentative, not messing with this guy here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Okay. Alright, so those we're looking forward to. We already had settlement price, put it out last night. Market's up about 22 points from where it closed on Friday, up 172 All right, this one's really pushing. All right, close down there, and now it's way up here. All right, that's 255, buddy. That's 255. Center price 26004. 261. Start calculating it. Let's just start calculating it because it's way up there. It's a lot more than what it's showing. It's up 85.85%. This one's up 0.4%. Alright, so it's not calculating. Alright, so yeah. Anywho's, I'm done for today. Okay.